I click on U1, which means upscale the first image. I don't know which one to use yet, but I think it's gonna be this one. Hi everybody, and welcome back to my channel. In our previous video, we've seen how to edit and customize a logo given by Midjourney in Adobe Photoshop and updating the old logo in WordPress. Today, I have something super exciting to share with you. We are going to create an awesome Super Mario Bros. Landing page website using Midjourney to get our graphic content, Chatgpt to get a text content and a suitable font, Adobe Photoshop to edit our images, and WordPress to develop our website. So if you are ready, let's dive in. First of all, I was searching for Super Mario and Luigi image. Okay, so as you can see, I wrote Super Mario and Luigi to get an image of them. So I've got those four, and then I tried to get other images. Okay, I had to write another text prompt, which is Super Mario and Luigi smiling and happy faces without any background and with an aspect ratio of 3:4, which means 3:4, 3:4, 3:4. So between those, I've chosen this one, okay? And I wanted to have some variation of the third image. And so I clicked on V3, which means get a version of the third image. So this one is the first, this one is the second, third, and the last one. So I've got those, and between those I've chosen the first one. And if you want to choose anything or any result in Midjourney, you gotta click on U1 or U2, U3 or U4. So to get the first one, you gotta click on U1, which means upscale the first image. Okay, so now we have this. The second step is to search for a background to put in our landing page. So I wrote right here a Super Mario landing page background with an aspect ratio of 16:9, okay? And after that, I've got those four images, and I've choose the third one, which is this one. So I clicked on U3, which means upscale the third image. Then I downloaded this mushroom's head from Mushroom Kingdom, which will be a kind of switch between our website's buttons, and those mystery boxes, which will be displayed as a logo for our website. And I downloaded two sound effects of Super Mario game, of course, that everyone recognizes. Let's listen to them. Now, let's ask Chatgpt to give us some useful text content and suitable fonts to use. Let's do this. So in those results, we're gonna use this main navigation menu, as you can see right here: Home, About, Games, Characters, Gallery, and Contact. And one of those text fonts here. I don't know which one to use yet, but I think it's gonna be this one, if it's free, okay? And the last thing to use here is gonna be this title and this text description. Now let's go to Adobe Photoshop and edit the background given by Midjourney. Here I'm gonna try to remove this white text and Super Mario right here. Let's do this, guys. After finishing this, we are going to WordPress and start creating our website. Let's do this! So as you can see, guys, now we have our landing page. As you can see right here, we have the main navigation menu, home, services, about, reviews, wires, contact, and our social media icons, Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. And a title right here, a text description, and a button, so a call to action button. So what we're gonna try to do is I'm gonna start by editing this background and updating it, and I'm gonna do some other things that you're gonna see after. So if you are ready, let's do it, guys. So I'm gonna click on edit page, then actually here I don't need this thing which is called right here a cover. So I click here, then I click on delete to delete it, okay, completely, because I don't need it. Okay, so now here I'm gonna click on this one, then click right here, and then click on add before, okay, to add something before this block, okay. And then here I will try to create a container, and this container will be I'm gonna guess in this form of shape, okay, and we'll see after that. So as you can see right here, we have a right side and we have a left side inside our parent container, okay. So here I'm gonna put the Super Mario and Luigi image, and here we're gonna put the title and the text description and some buttons, okay. So before that, we will try to add the background to the parent container before everything, okay. So I'm gonna start by this. So I will click here, then before doing that, we have to import all the graphic content what we're gonna use in this website. So to do that, we have to click on media, then library. and then click on add new, then select files. So now we're gonna import the background, import the logo, and import the Super Mario and Luigi image. After doing that, I'm gonna go back to the editing page and then click here on Style tab, and then in Background tab click on this one, like an image, then click on Change, then select, go to this one, Media Library, and then choose this one, then select. Alright, and now I'm gonna click on Update, and then View Page, just to see our page. Now what I'm gonna do, guys, is try to edit the Super Mario and Luigi image and remove its background from it. Okay, so let's do this on Photoshop. Now, let's go back to our landing page. Before starting editing, I'll import the graphic content that we'll need. I mean the logo and the brothers, Super Mario and Luigi. Now, let's continue the landing page editing. We're gonna start by editing this right section, by editing its background and putting the brothers image as a background for the right section. And then I'm gonna try to edit this left section right here and add the text and the text description, the title, and some little buttons. Okay. And by the way, for this left section, I'm gonna try to copy those styles of this box, orange box, in order to put them as a background for this left section. Okay. And to do that, we're gonna need to copy the style of this box by using Photoshop, of course. Okay, so let's start by the right section. So select the right section, then go to Style, then on Background click on Image, and then change Image, then select Brothers Image. Alright, what I'm gonna do is try to click on Update, then refresh the landing page and see how it is. Okay, I see that this section is way too small. Okay, so now here, in order to display everything, we need to edit this container's height. Okay, so we're gonna go back here and then select the parent container, and then minimum height, we have to change this one. Okay, so if I click here, I have one. Okay, let's do this. All right, it has to be at least 1080 because that's the background's height. Okay, so increase till having 1080. Alright guys, so as you can see, we displayed right now our main navigation menu. We have our social media icons, we have our logo, and now the problem is with the brothers image, which is right here. So I'm gonna try to edit its height as well and display it actually. Now as you can see guys, this image is too big, okay? So I'm gonna try to edit its height in Adobe Photoshop and I'll be back here. Now I will build the left section. We need to make the background of this section as this orange box right here by using Photoshop to copy its colors.
The next step is to add two containers in this left section in order to build the switch between try this Super Mario game or view the 2022 movie, which is an awesome movie. Then I'll try to add the mystery box as a logo for this landing page. Next, I'm gonna pick up a suitable font from Chatgpt and try to apply it in our landing page. After that, I will try to add the mushroom's head to those two sections, this one and this one, and then create a switch effect between playing the game and watching the movie. So in order to add a switch effect, I need to label the mushroom's heads containers and those two texts.
After adding those buttons, I'm gonna add a click sound effect to them. That's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it and found it inspiring. Before we finish this video, I have an exciting announcement to make. Currently, WebTips is working on an exclusive ebook that gives you 4 important things to consider when you are a WordPress website owner. And here's the best part, I'm giving it away for free, but only to my awesome followers. If you want to get your hands on this valuable resource and unlock even more tips, tricks, and insights, make sure to follow me on Twitter and comment this post. You'll find the link in this video's description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss any future tutorials. Thank you so much for joining me today. Until next time, happy creating.